guys, today I'm going to be doing a blindfold challenge with this slime kit right here. And my mom's going to give me a slime, and I'm going to try to guess what color it is. So, let's get started.
Let's do it.
Ooh, ooh.
Do it to it. Hey, no peeking.
First, I got to see all the slime colors.
Okay, you can have one look at all the slimes, and then you got to put your blindfold on. Ready?
No, I'm still looking.
Okay. I'm not going to do two of the same color. I'll just do,
No, we're none of the same color.
Okay, but these two are so similar, I won't do those two.
No, these are not similar because I can feel neon and...
Look at her arguing with me. She always argues with me. You're 6.
No, do these both.
Well, we'll see. Okay, ready?
Yeah, starting now.
How many fingers am I holding up?
3?
Okay, good. You better know. All right, guys. Let's start with number 1.
How many fingers are you holding up?
I don't know. I'm going to show you first so you can see what this is. All right.
Where is it? Give it to Mama.
Feel the texture.
I can't stand it.
Feel what's inside it. All right, what color is it?
Is it green? Is it I guess it's yellow.
First of all, is it glitzy? Or is it fluffy?
No.
Or neon? So, okay. It's not glitzy?
Yeah.
It's glitzy, okay. Got it good. But the color?
It's glitzy?
Yeah. How come you took your blindfold off? Because you couldn't believe it? You can't stand being blindfolded. All right, ready for the next one?
Yeah. What is really...
Here, I'll take
put
care
that
of it,
like
baby.
to the side.
Let's get rid of these sparkles. You're
Okay,
supposed to stay
you're gonna
in
do
your
how
slime.
many fingers are holding up?
How many fingers am I holding up?
2.
Nope. Good.
5.
What? Oh, what should we do next? Okay. Get out of here. Okay. Tell me if it's glitzy or regular.
I gotta feel all around first. It is neon.
Ding, 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 ding. You have a winner.
And it is pink.
Did you try pink?
No!
It's close to pink, but not quite.
Ah! It's like this, but this is fluffy.
way too hard.
I know.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to get one right.
You are going to get one right eventually.
No, I'm not.
This is what you have left.
So much left.
Okay.
How many fingers are you holding up?
A million.
2.
All right, here's your little blob.
I guess this is
what kind is that?
fluffy.
You are right. Ding,
And it
you
is-
win $1 million
and
and a brand new car.
It's green.
How'd you know that?
Wait, what?
You got it right. That was just what is that?
I was laughing too hard.
What was that?
I don't know.
You got it right.
I did.
That's awesome.
Ow!
I don't know. You were surprised too.
You were like, what?
How could you even know that?
Well,
All
I
right.
touched that one.
3 down. Got that one right. Okay, what's next? What should I do next?
I'm so scared.
Oh.
Where is it?
Okay. Oh man, I gotta open
I'm
this one.
SpongeBob. Where is it? I'm Sponge.
My gosh, they make this parent-proof. I can't do this one.
Where?
Where are the scissors? Oh, way over here. These are like not opened yet. All right, don't you look? Did you see?
No, I did.
Okay. Ready? Hey, watch the scissors. I don't. All right, I'm working on it, lady. Whoa! Oh, that one had a top in it.
It did?
What is happening?
All I see is glitter.
The struggle is real over here. The struggle. There you go. Well, that one's a cool one.
I guess it's a glitzy. No, wait. It's a neon. A neon.
Wait. Yeah. It's a, nope. And again, I found the top.
It's a fluffy?
You got it. But that was a miss.
Okay.
That was a
And
nice
it's
try.
the color pink?
Are you kidding?
What?
Can you
Yeah! Yeah! I can't believe that.
You got that like half
it.
right.
I'm not even looking.
I would hope not, because you got a blue
No,
one on.
I said all I see is glitter.
Oh.
Before you even gave me that.
Okay, Rambo. All right, one more.
No.
Are you up?
All those more.
We're gonna do all of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Cover up on my balls. Those beautiful baby blues. Cover up those beautiful baby blue eyeballs. Oh, gosh.
I'm not baby.
But you have baby blue eyeballs. Oh my
Is it this
goodness
one?
gracious, have mercy.
Is it
Okay,
this
there's
one?
a little bit. I gotta get the rest out. No, you are
Hello,
like...
are you in there?
Okay, I'm working on it. I got it. Okay, guys. All right, don't even put it close to your face. Now tell me what that one was all about.
It is a glitzy.
Yes.
And it's pink.
You're right. You're right about the glitzy part.
No, it's gold.
There's only 3 glitzies left. But guess what? You failed on the color.
I can't believe I did that.
This is a mermaid one. It's so pretty.
There's
All right.
only one glitzy left.
What about this one?
Oh, it's 2.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
I didn't even know there was one like that. Neon, I don't know.
I'm putting that one back.
And it's green.
Yep, put that one back. You saw it. All right, this one's coming. Don't you dare!
My finger was
If
in the
you
way.
cheat,
My
then
finger's
all of the goodness goes away. Okay. Up.
I even know.
You can't.
It's a fluffy.
Yes, great. You have to only use your senses of touch.
I gotta see all of them are in there.
Okay, no.
No.
You have to use the sense of
Is
touch.
it fluffy?
Yep, you're right on that. What color?
Because you tricked me on the last one with purple. I think it's purple.
You got it. You got fluffy and purple. Boop, 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 boop. I think you saw that one.
No.
Okay. Next. Let me see if I have to open more of these.
I'm looking.
Oh, these are open. Oh, weird color.
There you go.
Okay. She's not peeking, right? She's pretty sly, so I wouldn't be surprised if she tried to peek. She has gotten me before. Okay. Don't look here. Right in front, baby.
Fluffy, and it's pink.
Fluffy. I might want to change that piece. Because there's no fluffy pinks.
Oh, it's a glitzy! I didn't even get to try.
Go, let's see.
There's a fluff.
There ain't no fluffies left. Oh, there's one fluffy left. That orange one.
I didn't
so
even get a minute to feel the glitter.
I know, you gotta put it, you have to just think, feel, use your
Ice.
magic powers. All right, ready? Oh, no looking, no peeking. Oh, baby.
Neon yellow.
Nope, wrong twice.
Wait, fluffy orange.
You got it. Now it's just a guessing game, huh? Because you know what's left. Okay, next.
Wait, that one's open.
Whoops. Because I know she's gonna use her ear to listen. Okay, next. Nope.
Feel. Oh, gold glitzy.
No.
Wait, what? I felt that was glitter. They put like clay inside,
Yeah, I
so I
don't
thought
know
that was
what that
glitter. I thought that was glitter.
So all you have is 2 neons and a glitz left. I think, let's try and see if you can get all 3 of these right.
Oh yeah, definitely. How do you even pull this down? Okay.
This one is like super bright.
Yellow.
You got it.
And it's a neon.
You got it. See, 1 out of 3, baby.
This is going to be easy because this has no glitter and this is glitter. That's going to be easy.
Well, we'll see, because last time you thought the other one, you had a couple glitzies wrong.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if she can do this.
Oh,
See what kind of mad
so
slime master
scared.
skills she has. All right, there you go, baby. I'm sorry, I forgot you can't see.
Neon pink.
You got it. Ooh, 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 ooh.
So you're gonna mix 2 glitzies together. Like you can mix 3 glitzies together, and then you're gonna pick one for me to guess. Because there's only 1 more left, and that's gonna be easy for me. And I have to.
But the color you can't see, so that's not really. Do you want hints?
No, I'm okay.
No hints? Okay.
Cause since it was the last one, and you're trying to make guess it, gold glitzy.
You got it.
All
3
3 were right.
Yeah.
So I got 6 of them right. I'm a winner.
Winner, winner.
Chicken dinner.
You already finished my sentence for me.